Hello my viewers and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to talk about the Parkside Preformance cordless flathead angle grinder 20 volt. It's one of the professional tools from Parkside and it comes with a 5-year warranty and it has a brushless motor. It got some smart functions which I will show you in this video, and it's compatible with the X20 volt team batteries. And the recommended battery is a smart battery, which I will talk about in another video. Let's open the box up and see what's inside. As always, the instruction manual in a multi-language, and I'm sure your language will be there, or a language that you will understand. Got this grip, you can mount on each side. And the tool, and it's a very nice hand grip. And there's a blade installed already. So here we have it. There's a small instruction card here, how to turn it on and off, how to lock it. The handle, which you can mount on each side, here or there. I'm gonna mount it here because I'm right-handed. The hold button for to change the disc. There is a clip here. If you pull it, you can change the side of the protection cap. The smart display. And a very nice hand grip. And as you can see, it's a very flat head, which is easy to move into smaller spots. Let's attach a battery and see how it operates. I'm using the X20 volt team battery, the normal battery, not the smart battery, because I'm going to make a video about the smart battery later. Battery attached. Let's show you how to operate. You see the unlock button, then it's on speed 6, we put it on 1, and here is the start button. You press it and hold it. And then if you want to change speed, you do it like this. Speed 3. Until 6. And it's a very nice, quiet machine. If you want to change the blades, you move this in that direction. And there are these hooks. You have to take them off. You can take the protection cap off. And there is this tool that's on the side here. It fits in here. And you can easily change the disc. Tighten it up again. Oh. And put the protection cover back on. Make sure the clips are on the right place, as you can see here and there. Remove this back in position, and we're ready to go. Let's take it outside for a test. So we're outside now for testing the tool. Unlock, push it once and release it, it will go off. If you unlock and you push it twice, it stays on. Very handy to know. So we're back inside. Let's see how much noise the machine makes. And it's around 93. Final conclusion. To operate the machine, the unlock button, the start button, which you have to unlock and then press 2 times, then it will stay on. If you press it 1 time, it will go off when you release the button. This button to change the speed settings, the battery indication, and this is for the smart battery. I do recommend the smart battery. It gives you a maximum battery life. The machine will connect with your smart battery, which I will show you in an other video. I do like the hand grip, also the tool that's here on the side, the protection cap that prevents sparkles flying around. Yeah, it's a very nice tool. It's good in the hand, it's very handy. I don't know if you like it if you are a professional user, because everybody always has his own brand, Makita, DeWalt, or whatever you like. But I do recommend to take a look at this tool, because it's very nice, only 69 euros and a 5-year warranty. So that's perfect. I hope you like this video. Please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos. And I want to say thanks for watching now, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.